Transform your WordPress blog posts from ordinary to extraordinary with custom single post templates in Kadence. Let's dive into creating a standout single post template for your WordPress site using the powerful Kadence theme and its intuitive block editor. First, ensure you have the Kadence theme and the Kadence blocks plugin installed and activated now. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance. Then Kadence theme in the Kadence theme settings, find and click on the Builder option. Within the Builder section, we're going to create a single post. Template, look for the Add New button and select Single Post from the available template types. This will open up Kadence's visual template editor here. You have access to a variety of blocks to construct your unique post layout. We'll focus on essential elements like the post title, featured image, post content, and metadata. Start by dragging and dropping the post title block. This dynamically pulls in the title of your blog post next. Let's add a featured image block. This will showcase the image you've designated for your post. Crucially, we need the post content block. This is where the main text of your blog post will appear. You can resize and position these blocks as you see fit. To provide readers with context, add metadata blocks like post date, post author, and post categories or tags. Arrange these logically below your title or featured image for good readability. For better organization and styling, you can enclose sections of your template within container blocks. This allows you to control backgrounds, padding, and margins for different parts of your layout. Once you're happy with the design, click the Publish button in the top right corner to save your new single post template. Now, when you view any of your blog posts, they will automatically use this beautifully crafted template, instantly elevating your content's presentation and reflecting your brand's unique style.